Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. We have an update for you in the high-profile defamation case out of Delaware, styled as McCrone versus Owens. This case arises out of a complaint for defamation of character that was filed by the President of France and the First Lady of France against the popular American podcaster Candace Owens over a series of content Miss Owens published called Becoming Brigitte, in which she has alleged that the First Lady of France has been committing a fraud assisted by the President of France, allegedly, that she is a man, physically born a man, but has been masquerading as a woman for years. The plaintiffs vehemently deny. They have said that they will produce scientific evidence that will prove these statements false. Ms. Owens and two of her companies have been sued by the plaintiffs. She has filed a motion to dismiss. She wants the lawsuit thrown out of court on various legal grounds. Alternatively, if it's not thrown out of court, if it's not dismissed altogether, she wants certain content that she claims was illegally filed in an amended complaint. What had happened is the McCrones initiated this action last summer of 2025 with the filing of their initial pleading. Then they amended it. The defense is saying they needed to obtain leave of court. That means permission from the court before they were authorized to amend their complaint and add additional allegations, facts, and so forth. The problem is that the hearing on the motion to dismiss has been reset now for the third time. The motion to dismiss was supposed to have been brought forward before the court on April 25th, 2026, where the judge would have heard oral argument, and then sometimes they make a ruling from the bench that's followed by the written order. Other times they take things under advisement and then is followed by the order. And if the order says granted, the case goes away. The case ends. If it's denied, then the case proceeds on through discovery and trial. That hearing was reset to June. It has now been canceled and reset for a third time. The hearing is now set July 27th, 2026 at 10 a.m. So in other words, nothing is happening regarding either the dismissal of the case or the moving forward of it because of these repetitive rescheduling of the hearing. Hopefully this is the last time. Hopefully it will be held on the 27th of July. There's been no explanation why it was rescheduled for the second time. All we know is that come July 27th, the parties are due in court, Superior Court, Newcastle County, Delaware, before Judge Sheldon Rene. And then we anticipate a ruling will follow unless it's rescheduled for a fourth time. We will continue to keep you posted as further developments arise. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.